Everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will start chapter number 4, which is tick, tick, and tick. See, these are the words related to the clock. So, you guessed correct. In this chapter, we will learn about time. Time is the ongoing sequence of event taking place. Okay, and units of time are second, minutes, hours, days, weeks, month, years, etc. We can measure the time using different things like sand clocks, stopwatch, digital clocks, calendars, etc. Now, these are the some important equations that you have to remember, as these are the basic of time. See, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 day is equal to 24 hours, 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 days, 1 year is equal to 365 or 366 days, 1 year is equal to 12 months, and February month has either 28 or 29 days. See, we will learn about the basics. Okay, so now next is a calendar. It is a chart or series of pages showing days, weeks, and month of particular year. We will talk about the ordinary year. Any year which has 365 days is called an ordinary year. For example, 2000, 2009, etc. Whereas any year which has 366 days is called a leap year, where for example 2012, 2016 and 2020 etc. These are the example of 20 leap year. Now there are 12 months in a year and a week has 7 days. Don't forget that the format of date, this would be DDMMYY, means day, month and year. We can also use different kind of format in different parts of the world. One of them is MMDDYY, and rest of the other formats you will find out yourself. Now we will learn about clock. Any clock has three hands. Okay, number one, minute hand, hour hand, and second hand. Okay, so where minute hand is equal to long hand, hour hand is equal to short hand, and second hand is thin hand. Okay, so we can easily find out this in the clock face, where hour hand takes 12 hours to complete one round on the clock face, and minute hand takes 1 hour to complete one round on the clock face. Now minute hand takes 5 minutes to go from one number to the next number. मिनट हैंड को एक नंबर से दूसरे नंबर पर जाने में 5 minutes लगता है. Whereas our hand take 1 hour to go from one number to the next number. So after explaining this information, I can say that our hand takes two round in 24 hours. In a day, it will take two rounds, two complete rounds on the clock face, whereas minute hand takes 24 rounds in a day. Now we'll talk about the two different kind of clock, which are 12-hour clocks and 24-hour clocks. See, we are using two different kind of clocks, right? Normally we are using 12-hour clocks in a day. So there are two ways of telling time. One is the 12-hour clock's time. The clock run from 12 midnight to 12 noon is noted as AM, which is called as ant meridian, means before the day. And the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight is noted as PM, which is called post meridian, means after midday. We don't write AM or PM with 12 o'clock. For example, daytime 12 o'clock hai, so we will write down 12 noon. And night time 12 o'clock hai, we will write down 12 midnight. Now we'll talk about I will discuss about 24-hour clock. 24-hour clock uses the numbers from 0 to 23. Midnight is 0000. Okay, so यहाँ पे पूरा एक सीरीज यूज होता है 0 से लेके 23 तक. When it comes to 2360 तो ये सीधा 00 हो जाएगा. Okay, like that. We can see 24-hour clocks in on railway station, bus station, and airport, traveling tickets. There you will find out the time in the form of 24-hour clocks. Okay, now let us understand how and compare the 12-hour clocks and 24-hour clocks. See, when it is 12 midnight, see, this is the midnight part, midday, and mid night again. Okay, so AM PM would be used with the 12-hour clocks only, and this would be used for 24-hour clocks. So 12 midnight to 00 again. For 3 o'clock in the morning, so we'll write down 3. 6 o'clock in the morning, we'll write down 6. 12 o'clock in the noon, we'll write down 12. फिर 3 o'clock होता है धीरे धीरे. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the noon. So 3 o'clock in the noon है तो यहाँ पे होगा वो 15. 12 के बाद 13, 14, 15. 3 पे 15 आया, so that means it has 15. 6 o'clock afternoon, तो that would be 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this way you will find out the time. And 12 midnight, to where you will get the 0000. Okay, so we will write down AM before the midday or before the noon, midnight to noon, and from noon to midnight we will write down PM. AM and PM can apply with 12-hour clock times only. That is for sure. Now next, convert 12-hour clock to 24 hours clock time. That's quite easy to convert 12-hour clock time into 24-hour clock. Add 12 in our column if PM is given with time. If 12-hour clock time shows 12 in our column, don't add 12, it is 12 noon. Fine. So remove AM or PM after the time and write hours to 4-digit time. Okay, so these are the rules. Now I will show you how. Here is a 6:15 AM. AM लिखा है, no need to do anything. AM लिखा है, कोई चेंज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Just write down the number as it is, and instead of AM you will write down hours. Number 2, 2:10 p.m. So that's definitely here we are doing the counting. Here will come the counting portion. In this you will add 12 in the hours column, and here is 10. 12 plus 2, 14. So 14:10 hours. This way. Again it comes followed with the time followed with the AM. So no need to change anything, and just write down the hours after it. सो दैट सुपर ईजी थिंग. आपको AM है तो कुछ चेंज नहीं करना है. इफ़ देर इज़ अ PM देन यू हैव टू डू द काउंटिंग, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट. हियर इज़ अ 12 मिडनाइट, तो डेफिनेटली 12 है तो 12 में 12 ऐड किया तो 24 आवर्स मतलब 00 आवर्स. ओके, वेरी सिंपल. 12:10 AM, तो 12 है, AM है, कुछ चेंज नहीं करना है. Right? So just write down hours after the time. 10:15 p.m. So 10 plus 12, 22, and 50 plus 0, 22, 50 hours. Got it? Now, next is convert 24-hour clocks into 12-hour clock time. To convert into 12-hour clocks times of hour are 13 onwards. And we subtract 12 from the hour columns. Okay, so whatever and remove hours and write AM or PM with 12-hour clock time. Okay, now next let's begin with the example. 15:25 hours मतलब ये 15 है, 13 onwards है, right? तो we are going to subtract 12 from it. Okay, so this is the 3:25. so 3:25 p.m. Next is a 5:30 hours. देखो ये before 13 है, right? So we need not to do any subtraction, any counting in this. So the time is 5:30 a.m. Number 3, 12:55 hours. So definitely 12:55 p.m. 12 है तो कुछ change करना नहीं होता है. Next, 00 in our column means 12 o'clock midnight, a new day start. 18:35 hours, so 18:35 में से 12 hours आप minus करो, there is no minute in the minute column, and your answer is 6:35 p.m. 00:50 hours, that means 12:50 a.m. 00 का मतलब होता है 12 o'clock. So this is it. Now open your textbook. Open the page number 35, where you will find out one story. Pamposh and Sazia were discussing whose home is farther from school. Okay, so now they are comparing the distance of their home, right? So here there are some dialogues between Pamposh and Sazia. Here Pamposh said, I have to walk for 5 minutes to reach school. Then Sazia said, yes, I just walk for 2 minutes to reach school. वो बोल रहा है मुझे 5 मिनट लग रहे और ये बोल रही है मुझे 2 मिनट लग रहे. Now Pamposh said, impossible, your home is farther from school. But she said, but I checked my watch. तो उसने अपनी वॉच देखी. I started for school at 7 o'clock. 7 बजे वो स्कूल के लिए जाती है. When I reach school, the minute hand points at 2. तब minute hand किसको point करता है? 2 को point करता है. So shouldn't it be 2 minutes past 7 or 7:02? So which is completely wrong. It is 7:10. It shows the minute. Here the minutes between the two numbers are 5. So here 5 plus 5, 10. So it's 7:10, which is completely wrong answer. Now Pamposh explained everything to her. Next, you are wrong. You reach school at 7:10. And Saja said, how? See, can you see these thin lines between the numbers? Yes, so what? The minute hand move across 10 lines after 12, so it is 10 minutes past 7 or 7:10. As we can see that there are 5 lines between the two numbers. So when the minute hand moves to the 2, at that time we can say that 10 minutes passed after 7 o'clock. And then say I started for school at 7 and I reach at school and I reach at 7:05. See, the minute hand moves across the 5 lines. See, look at here. Here is a 7 o'clock and here is a 7:05. See, we had already learned about the time in the previous standard. First में भी सीखा, second में भी सीखा, third में भी सीखा. Now in fourth standard also, this is the revisional part. Now I'm going to explain. This is your clock phase. In the clock phase, you will find out the 12 numbers. Each and every number shows the hours of the day. Where in the clock phase you will find out the two hands. This is the short hand, which is known as the hour hand, and a long hand, which is known as the minute hand. Now we'll move to the next line. So here each and every there are 5 minutes or 5 cuts between two numbers. Okay, so whenever you have to point the minutes to that particular number, so how will you identify that? That's super easy. What you have to do, you have to multiply that number by 5 and then you will get the minute quickly. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50, 11 5s are 55, and 12 5s are 60. So this way you will remember. That's the easiest way and the quickest way. Now let's move to the practice time. Three friends read time from a clock. Who is right? Here we can see that when the minute hand point at 12 and the hour hand point at 3, that means it is a 3-hour clock or 3, right? तो यहाँ पे ये this thing we had already learned in first standard, right? So that's super easy, no need to explain this. Next is look at here, the hour hand is between 6 and 5. So we can say that it is 5 o'clock and 7 5s are 35, so 5:35. So here in this case you have to remember, whenever the hour hand is between two number, right, you will consider the before number, pehle wala number, that would be in your hour. Okay, so here is 7:15 because 5 10 15, 7 hours and 15 minutes, 5 hours and 35 minutes, like that. So these are the correct one and the others are wrong one. Look at the next page where you will find out another activity. Show the following time in the clock. So here what you have to do, you have to show the time using the two hands in this clock face. Here is 3 and 10. So where is the hour hand? Hour hand point to 3 and the minute hand point to 2. 2 5s are 10. So this way 6:40. So here we can say that the hour hand is between somewhere in 6 and 7 and the minute hand pointed at 8 because 8 5s are 40. Next 4:45. So okay, we can say that the hour hand is point to between 4 and 5 and the minute hand point to 9 as 9 5s are 40, like this. 7:35. So here is the minute hand pointed at 7 and our hand is between 6 and 7 somewhere. Fine, it's just like that. Next is 3:15. So definitely our hand pointed at 3 as well as the minute hand pointed at 3. 3 5s are 15. ये hours show करता है, ये minute show करता है. For this you have to use the smaller hand and here is the biggest hand. Okay, now 2:20, the hour hand pointed at 2 and the minute hand pointed at 4. 4 5s are 20. Next, do you like sky watching? If yes, then this one should interest you. Okay, so this is the activity regarding sky watching. So you can also apply it to yourself as well. Our question number 1 is, at what time does the sun rise at your place? I wrote here 5 o'clock. See, look at here. 5, our hand pointed at 5, minute hand pointed at 12. So see, the time would be vary for different places on different in different seasons, right? Summer में जल्दी होता है sunrise, winters में थोड़ा late होता है. So the time will be differ. When does the sun set? So approximately 6 o'clock, around 6 o'clock sunset every day. But this would be also vary at 6 p.m. we can write down because शाम को होता है after 12 noon. So 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. It depends on the season, it depends on the different places, right? ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है if it इंडिया में 6 o'clock को होता है तो दुनिया की हर जगह पे 6 o'clock होता है. So later on we will see that. Does the sun rise and set at the same time every day? So answer is no. Look at newspaper and see the time of sunrise and sunset in different months. Okay. So this activity you can do it yourself. You will collect all the newspaper of the different months and note down the sunrise and sunset time, because ये उसमें लिखा हुआ होता है somewhere sometimes when there is a rainy season we cannot find out sun in the sky, so we can follow this timing which are given in the newspapers, right, for the religious purpose. Turn your page number 38, where you will find out this. Look at the photo and guess the time at this place. This is the Eiffel Tower of the Paris, and this photo was taken in Paris, France. In Paris, the sun sets after 9 p.m. at night during summer. देखो यहाँ पे रात को 9 बजे सनसेट होता है, वो भी समर्स में. This photo was taken at night, but in winter it becomes dark here by 4 p.m. in the evening. लेकिन विंटर में जो 9 p.m. को होता था उसकी जगह पे 4 p.m. को हो जाता है. So as I told you, the timing of the sunrise and sunset would be changed in different places, as well as it depends on the season as well. Now next is number 3, is find out how long will it take the minute hand to move from. Okay, here we have to find out the time between this to this. Okay, we have to find out the duration of the time, right? So let's begin with this. Number A here is 335. Okay, 7 is here, then it will move to 10. So 10, 15, 10, 5, 10 and 15. 15 minutes are there. Look at here again in number B. Here is a 340, and here this minute hand move from number 8 to number 12. So you have to count from number 8. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 minutes. Then next is 6, 5 and 6, 15. So what is the duration? 15 minutes. This here 7, 10, and then afterward this minute hand will comes to 9, right? So you will count from here 5, 10, 15, 10, 20, 30 and 35. So its duration is 35 minutes. See, we are doing this using the clock, but later on we will do it directly by using addition and subtraction of the time. On the next page, page number 39, where you will find out another activity. Draw where the hands will be. Here number 1, 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. So we can say that it is 6:20. So it would be like this: 6 o'clock, our hand point to 6 and minute hand point to 4. 4 5s are 20. Number C, 10 minutes after 7 o'clock. The time would be written like this: 7, 10. So our hand pointed at 7 and minute hand point at 2. 5 2s are 10. 5:15, that's super easy. Our hand pointed at 5 and the minute hand pointed at 3. So 3 5s are 50. Fine. Now 30 minutes after 8 o'clock. Our hand pointed at 8 and minute hand pointed at 6. So this is the way. Now next question is, how long does your school assembly take? So these are now question answer that you have to write down on your own according to your timing. So it is about 20 minutes to 15 to 20 minutes, right? How long is your lunch break? 30 minutes. How long is your game period? Is 35 minutes around. And is it the same as the other period? Yes, definitely the game period is the similar as the other period. Now Turn your page number 40. Again, daily routine activity. You have to write down the timing for that. How many times can this activity take? Make a guess and check at your home. So here we are writing the guessing of that particular activities time. Boiling 1 liter milk, so it will take approximately 10 minutes. Filling the bucket within a 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes if you are having a great speed of the tap. Sweeping your room, so yes, exact 5 minutes, not exact, but it depends on the person to person, right? So these are the assuming. You have to count the time yourself and write down the time as per your experience. Now again, there is an activity time. In 1 minute, how many time can you? So number one, snap your finger 60 times, skip a rope 45. It is, this answer will be vary from person to person. जरूरी नहीं कि यही के आंसर होंगे. Jump up and down 25, clapping 60 times. Write more such fun activity in this columns. Then next is, here is another challenge for you. How long can you speak non-stop? Speak non-stop, which is 5 minutes. Stand on one leg 1 minute. Sing ah without a break 30 seconds or more. And then next is, how long do you take? Run a 15-meter race. So it will take 10 minutes or 5 minutes. It depends on the speed. Collect 50 pebbles from the ground. So it will take 15 minutes if it is not easily available. And if it is easily available, then definitely it will take less time. Count 1 to 100, 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes you have to finish. Next, let's look at the clock again and solve this one. See, the minute hand started from 2. How many times it will take to come back to 2 again? So it will take 60 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, तो मिनट हैंड को 2 पे आने में, वापस से 2 पे आने में 60 minutes, मतलब कि 1 hour लगता है. So we can conclude it that the minute hand take 1 hour to complete one round on the clock face. Where number B, what happens to the hour hand? Does it also move? Yes, definitely it is also moving. How long will it take to move from one number to the next number? So it will take 60 minutes to move from one number to the next number. From this answer we can conclude it that our hand takes 12 hours to complete one round on the clock face. So in a day it will take total two rounds on the clock face, right? As 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 12 hours means one round, another 12 hours means second round, like that. Number C, look around you and list the activity that take about 1 hour to complete. Okay, so going to school, playing, cooking, doing homework, cleaning home. So these are some activities which just take about 1 hour. And how long does it take to cook dinner at your home? So more than 1 hour. If you are preparing a proper complete meal, then it will take more than 1 hour. And ask your father if he can cook as fast as your mother does. Yes, no, I think no, because all the fathers are not habitual with the cooking. So it will he will not fast than your mother. Which game take less than 1 hour to finish? Karen. And how long does a football match take? 90 minutes. Okay, here the answer will be very. Okay, यहाँ पे कैरम की जगह पे कोई और भी गेम आ सकती है, but for that you need to aware of the time. Now look at the workbook, page number 46, where you will find out the chapter number 4, which is the correct time as shown in the clock. Put circle around it. This is 3 o'clock. The hour hand between 5 and 6. So 5:35. This is 7, 15, 7, 10, 5 twos are 10, and 4, 25. This is 10, 45. See, 9 5s are 45. The other hand between 10 and 11. So you will consider 10 as an hour. Okay. So 10, 45. Now next question number 2. Draw the hour hands and minute hand in the following clock dials as per the time mentioned for each. So here is a 3:10. Hour hand 0.23 and minute hand 0.22. 2 5s are 10. 6:40. Hour hand point in between 6 and 7 somewhere, and minute hand 0.28. 8 5s are 40. Then 4:45. So the hour hand point between 4 and 5 somewhere, and the minute hand pointed 9. 9 5s are 45. 7:35. So here the hour hand is somewhere between 7 and 8, and the minute hand somewhere pointed at 7. So 7 5s are 35. 3:15. Minute hand pointed at 3, and the hour hand also pointed at 3. 3 5s are 15. So it will be pointed at 3. Next, 2:20. Hour hand pointed at 2, and the minute hand pointed at 4. 4 5s are 20. So like that. Number 3, tell the time from the following clocks. So here this is 4 o'clock. 6:50. See, the hour hand is between 7 and 6. So you will consider 6 as it hours. 6, 10 5s are 50. 8 o'clock. 10 o'clock. See, the hour hand between somewhere 6 and 5. So you will consider 5 as an hour. 5:25. 2:20 between 2 and 3 somewhere. So 2, 4 5s are 20. The hour hand is pointed between 1 and 2 somewhere. So you will consider 1 as an hour. 1:30. 6 5s are 30. It is now here you will consider 3 as an hour. 3:35. 7 5s are 35. 2:50. Okay, so this is the way. See, this 3 you will do it yourself. Now number 4. Look at the question number 4, where you will find out the time taken. Starting time has been given and ending time has been given. From using both the timings, you have to find out the time duration. Here is a starting time is 8 hours and ending time is 9:45 hours. So what you have to do, basically you will do the subtraction of time is little bit different from our normal subtraction. I will show you each and everything in detail, so no need to worry. But for that, for finding the time duration, you have to subtract the starting time from the ending time, like this. Here these are now minutes. These are minutes. 11 10 hours. Look at the second number, where you will find out the starting time and the ending time. 11 10 hours and the ending time is 55 hours. We will do the subtraction. So 55 minus 10 is 45 and 12 minus 11 is 1. यहाँ पे आपको दोनों नंबर को साथ में ही कंसिडर करना है. You are not going to take a single number in a subtraction. Okay, so उसको पैर में ही करना है. So timing is 1 hour 45 minutes. Number 3, starting time is 13 hours and ending time is 14 hours 25 minutes. Okay, so 14:25 minus 13. So 25 minus 0 is 25 and 14 minus 13 is 1. So 1 hour 25 minutes. 25 hours, and this is the missing, and the time taken has been given 6 hours 30 minutes. So what will you do? You will do the addition. आप ये starting time में ये time add कर दो तो आपको ending time मिल जाता है. Look at here, we will do the addition of this time. 15 hours 25 minutes plus 6 hours 30 minutes. 25 plus 30 is 55, and here is 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 1 21. So answer is 21 hours and 55 minutes. So this is the answer. Next, number 5, the starting time has been given for 20 hours and the time taken has been given 8 hours 35 minutes. So what will you do? You will subtract this, you will do the addition of both the times. Here let's do the addition. This is the minutes, these are the hours. So 20 plus 35, 20, 30, 50, 55, 8 plus 4, 12. So 12, 55 hours. That's the answer. Now number 6, starting time has not given. You have given the ending time and the time taken. So what will you do? In this, ending time is always bigger. So इसमें से इसको minus करेंगे. So 18 minus 7, 40. Okay, 18 hours minus 7 hours, 40 minutes. Now, as I told you, the tricky part is that here you have to subtract both the number together. You are not going to subtract the separate digit. So here what will you do? You will take borrow. Instead of 18, you will write down there 17, and here you will write down 60. So यहाँ पर क्या किया हमने 1 hour को आगे भेज दिया मिनट वाले कॉलम में. तो 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. तो ये हो गया 60 plus 00 is 60. 60 40 minus 40 is 20, and 17 minus 7 is 10. So your answer is 10, 20 hours. Now same thing, 25 hours is a ending time, and this is the time duration, 4 hours and 15 minutes. So what will you do? From this we have to subtract the time duration. So here is 5 and here is 15. So it is not possible to do the subtraction. So what will you do? You will take borrow. Here is write down 19, and this will goes here, and 60 plus 5. ओके ये 1 hour हमने जो यहाँ से कम किया वो 1 hour को मिनट में ऐड कर दिया. सो हियर वी विल नॉट गोइंग टू राइट डाउन 1 hour. इंस्टेड ऑफ 1 hour वी विल राइट डाउन 60 minutes because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So that's why 60 plus 5 is 65 minus 15. तो क्या होगा? 50 and here is 15. So 15 50 hour. That's your answer. Again, these two things you will do it yourself because we have done similar kind of exercise in this question. So last two you will do it yourself. Now let's move to the question number 5, which is the addition of the hours. That's super easy. Hours को hours में add करना है. As I told you, यहाँ पे separate digit को add नहीं करते हैं. You will take the take both the digit combinedly. Okay. So 10 plus 5 15 hours, 13 plus 6 19 hours, 16 plus 8 24 hours, 14 plus 7 21 hours. Now we are going to add minutes. Okay. So 10 plus 30 40, 25 plus 20 45 minutes. So rest of the example you will do it yourself. That's super easy. कुछ नहीं है. Same way we will do the subtraction, but make sure we will subtract both the digit combinedly. 13 minus 11 2, 16 minus 12 is 4. So 18 minus 8 is 10 hours, and 17 minus 14 is 3 hours. Now we are going to add hours and minute combinedly. So do the addition. मैंने क्या बोला? एक ही चीज़ है, ये दोनों को सेपरेट नहीं करना है, दोनों को मिला के जॉइंट ही हमको एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. So 20 plus 30 plus 5 35, 8 plus 4 12. So 30 plus 25 55, and here is 9 plus 7 is 16. So rest of the example you will do it yourself, right? अगर यहाँ पे 60 हो जाता है तो वो कैरी आगे जाएगा, बट देखो यहाँ आंसर में कहीं 60 हो रहा नहीं है, so no need to worry. Now subtraction, similar way we will do the subtraction, but we will do it combinedly. Now turn your page number 50, where you will find out this. These are super easy. Number 9 exercise. How long will it take the minute hand to move from one clock to another? So that's super easy. We have already done this kind of activity in the textbook. So this is the similar activity. So here is beginning at 8 and then it will move to 12. So we can find out 10 in 20 minutes. Fine. Here the minute hand is at 2 and later on it is at 9. So 10, 20. Okay, wait. Here it is at 9. Okay. So 10, 20, 30 and 35. So here the answer will be 35. Okay, now next is here 1 5s are 5 and two numbers ahead, then it will be 10 minutes. Here is a 7 and it will move on 10. So 7, 15 minutes. 5, 10 and 15 like that. So this is the similar kind of activity. You will do it yourself, right? So this is it for the session. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Goodbye.